You will be amazed by this 2022 Hyundai Tucson. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take your daily drive to a higher level of comfort and quality with this well-built, well-equipped Tucson. Standard high-tech touchscreen infotainment, standard driver assistance features, and an upscale feel make this stylish compact crossover stand out from the crowd. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, heated mirrors, power liftgate, alarm. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.